Okay, hi guys, we are live, and today we are talking about why my 6-year-old is beating the stock market. Why my 6-year-old is beating the stock market. My name is May Doldola. Hi, Damian Cooper, welcome. Let me know your name, where you're from. Hi, Haluk, welcome. So my name is May Doldola. My website is yesfinanciallyfree.com. Go there, put your name and email address to get my free ebook, Working Parents Guide to Financial Freedom, and to get on the email list. So I email my list before I go live, and I tell them what I'll be talking about. Also, all my replay links are on my email. So get on the email list, go to yesfinanciallyfree.com, put in your first name, email address, get on the list. So my name is May Doldola. I live in Honolulu, Hawaii. I used to be super bad with money. Had over $40,000 in debt, credit cards, lines of credit, and no, I didn't own any property, just spent too much money. Hi, Minur Jung. Was not very good with money. And then that was in 2011 that I hit my all-time low. 2016, no more debt. Improved our net worth by $500,000. And hi, M. Russell, welcome. Let's see, our family was making almost $500 a month in passive income, and I quit my job and became a finance freedom coach. Part-time internet marketer at yesfinanciallyfree.com. So check it out. If you want any of my services, they are there on the products page. Bought our first condo in Waikiki 2017, second condo 2018, which is an Airbnb business. Hi, Swift. Hi, guys. Sold one condo in 2019 and bought this one. So we own 2 condos in Waikiki. And today I'm going to talk about a great topic. So I share that story to let you know that if you suck with money, if you're not good with money, you can become financially free. You can learn. Hi, Ant6648. By the way, Periscope or any of my channels, subscribe. On Periscope, you swipe to the right. Okay. Tapping on the screen in Periscope gives me hearts. YouTube, subscribe. I'm live on 3 channels, guys. Thanks for the hearts. I'm going to be live every day at 8:30 a.m. Hawaii time. So I'm late this morning because I'm starting my new schedule, but 8:30 a.m. I will be on with a new cool topic. Hi, Bedford, welcome. So share this with your followers and friends, tweet it out, do what you got to do. So today's topic, and anyone can become financially free, all right? Anyone, all right? If I can turn my money situation around, you can too, all right? Hi, Cookie Meme, welcome. So why my 6-year-old is beating the stock market. I understand for some of you reading this, it is backwards and there's nothing I can do about it. I apologize. Or until I figure it out, there's nothing I can do about it. So let's talk about this. Hi, Papa Bear Alaska. My 6-year-old son, Jordan, all right, Doldolau. I invested his money in a special portfolio called the All Seasons portfolio. I did that in October and I was saving money for his college, okay? So that's what's happening. I started saving money for my son in October. That is before the market crashed. I did not know the market was going to crash. Okay, I'm not a savant. Hi, greetings, Alaska. This is Honolulu, Hawaii. Nice to see you. Hi, RU9160. Welcome. So what happened? Well, the stock market crashed in March. Yeah, it dropped 50%. Total tank, right? I don't know if any of you felt that, if you have money in the stock market and you felt your portfolios crashed. Well, my son, his portfolio didn't crash. Now, I did the All Seasons portfolio. If you want to know what the All Seasons portfolio is, it's actually on my website, yesfinanciallyfree.com. It has a whole thing about what it is, how to do it. It's right there. It's all free information. But he did the All Seasons portfolio, which briefly is 15%, it's 40% long-term U.S. Treasury bonds, 30% stocks, 15% intermediate-term U.S. Treasury bonds, 7.5% gold, 7.5% commodities. So that's the All Seasons portfolio, okay? So I invested his money in an All Seasons portfolio. I just did the allocations, and I was just doing it every month, putting in another $100 into his portfolio, you know, and then the stock market crashed, right? What a great way to test the portfolio. Hi, Joe Fish. Well, my son's portfolio went down too, okay, but not 50%. It went down like 3%, 3% on the day that the whole thing crashed. That's how low it got. So it was not as bad. And now the stock market is still down. If you look at the stock market, it's still down quite a lot, right? If you haven't regained your 50%, all right? But my son is actually ahead now. He hasn't lost anything. He's actually ahead by a few percentage points. And so as an annualized return, he's at 20% annualized return on this portfolio. So the all seasons portfolio, not only did it prevent me from freaking out about his money when the stock market crashed, it's beating the stock market. Now, a lot of people criticize the all seasons because it has so many bonds in it. Commodities are risky and all these kinds of things. But all I have to say is my 6-year-old is beating the stock market. Is my 6-year-old doing better than you? And this all seasons portfolio was recommended by Ray Dalio. Ray Dalio is a hedge fund manager, and he's a highly successful financial analyst. He's very wealthy, and he is the advisor to the U.S. government on a variety of topics. He helped design TIPS, which are Treasury, they're inflation-protected Treasury bonds. Okay, so he designed that for the U.S. government. So he's a smart guy. Hi, Big T Living. Hi, Rebirth. Hi, MVJT. Welcome. Hi, Nito. 12 Nito. So I listen to Ray Dalio because he's a lot smarter than me when it comes to money. So I just started, and since I wanted to be very conservative with my son's portfolio, I decided to do the all seasons approach. And that is why my son, my 6-year-old, is beating the stock market. So if you want more information on how you can do the all seasons portfolio, I can talk about it tomorrow. I'm going to be live every day. So I can do a little talk on the all seasons tomorrow, just to give you guys a little sample of how to do it if you want to do it yourself. And my blog is yesfinanciallyfree.com. There's a whole blog post about the all seasons portfolio on my blog. So you can check that out too. All right. This is all free information. So I invite you to go here. If you're on Periscope, that is the link on my profile. All right. The link on my profile is this link right here. So you can just click on it. Super simple. If you're on Facebook, that's my link. And if you're on YouTube, I will put the link to this blog post on my YouTube description. All right. So do you guys have any questions? I'm doing 10-minute lives every day at 8:30 a.m. Hawaii time. But I wanted to see if any of you have any questions that you want to ask me. And I want to stress that this is it's a portfolio recommended by someone who in the book Money, Master the Game. Is it a good time to buy now? It is a good time. That is a good question. Is it a good time to buy now? Hi, Kershid Mula. Welcome. Thanks for the question. So according to Ray Dalio and the All Seasons portfolio, the nice thing about it is it's always a good time to invest. That's the nice thing about the All Seasons portfolio. You can invest at any time because the All Seasons portfolio is balanced so that in any economic situation, it will do okay. So there are 4 economic seasons, all right? There's the economic season of deflation, all right? There's the economic season of inflation, all right? Inflation is when prices go up. Deflation is when prices go down, okay? And then there is economic growth and economic decline, right? So economic growth means people are buying and selling more stuff. Economic decline means people are not buying and selling more stuff. They're buying and selling less stuff, okay, than expected. So right now we're in a season of economic decline, yeah, because less people have money, less spending. That's why there was a Nordstrom or a Neiman Marcus, one of those big retail stores closed yesterday, and they're renting for office space now instead, where that big Neiman Marcus or Nordstrom was. I don't remember what store it was, but there was some retail store that shut down. There's a lot of retail stores in Hawaii that are having challenges because we have a 14-day quarantine, right, if you fly to Hawaii. So we're in economic decline right now. Yeah, that's why stocks are down. Housing prices are going down in Hawaii. Not exactly housing, but the condo prices are definitely going down. Rents are going down. That's also deflation. So every economic season is covered in the All Seasons portfolio. So the nice thing about it is you don't have to worry about timing. See, that's the great thing. You can invest every month and not worry. Not worry about timing. Just invest in the same allocations. 7.5% gold, 7.5% commodities, 15% intermediate treasuries, U.S. treasuries, 30% stocks, 40% long-term U.S. treasuries. Thank you, Papa Bear Alaska. So if you want more about the portfolio, check yesfinanciallyfree.com. Hi, Nicole. Welcome. And that is the basic gist of today's live. I've been on 10 minutes, so I'm stopping now. If you're not a fan, swipe to the right, subscribe. If you're on Facebook, go ahead, become a fan. And if you're on YouTube, subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys again tomorrow. All right? Tomorrow. Have a great day. Aloha and take care. Bye. Bye, guys.